Hi guys. When there is a Shopware upgrade available, you'll get an instant notification within your Shopware admin panel, like here. All you need to do is simply click on Open Update, and it should give you a list of all the required software updates that are available to download. So the easiest way to do it, obviously, is just click on Start Update, and that will do it right away. So let's click on that and see what happens. Okay, so obviously what we're going to do is deactivate all incompatible plugins because we don't want to have any redundant code on the website because that might break the site. It's also very important if you are in production mode, then make sure you are taking a backup of everything, and make sure you click on it. Even if you are not in the production mode, I do recommend taking a backup of everything anyway. So you have three options to choose from. Again, the recommended option is to deactivate all incompatible plugins. And once you've made your selection, simply click on install, and they should kick off the upgrade process. As part of the upgrade, it's going to deactivate some plugins as well, just to make sure that it's downloading the core data first. And once it has done it, it will take a while. It will take a few minutes to complete. But once you've done it, uh, you're going to have the latest software available, and ready to be used. We'll just give it a few minutes and see what's happening. So as you can see, it's trying to do everything pretty quickly. We'll just give it a few more seconds. Now the plugins are disabled. What it is doing right now is unpacking the core files after downloading it to your server. And it has started the installation process, so the database is being migrated as we speak. And finally, all we're going to do is just go through the file cleanup list because it's going to clean up a few things as well. There's this forward button right at the bottom, which I think you can't see at the moment. But there's this blue forward button. So once I've, gone through the list and I'm happy that everything is okay, and what I'm going to do is simply click on forward, and then it is going to create a backup in the background, delete it, and here we go. The update was successful, and the software has been upgraded to the latest stable version. And finish update. And in a few seconds, I should be taken back to the website. Here we go. Now we have the latest stable version, which is version 6.4.4.1, and all the software have been upgraded. The plugins, they were activated again. Any redundant code is deleted, and yeah, pretty straightforward. Let me know how, give it a go, and let me know if you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you.